tired of the same old commute, stuck in traffic jams, or longing for a more sustainable way to get around? Well, ditch the car keys and hold onto your helmets because we're about to blast off into the future of transportation. Today's episode is all about the top 5 incredible vehicles that are ripping up the rule book on personal transportation. So let's get rolling. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Honda ERM isn't your average scooter with a VR headset strapped on. It's a revolutionary concept that seamlessly blends the real world with virtual experiences. It integrates seamlessly with a VR headset, transforming your real-world ride into a captivating virtual odyssey. Picture yourself gliding through a virtual cityscape while navigating your Uni One through a real one. It's like stepping into your favorite video game, but with the added exhilaration of physical movement. The Uni One boasts a clever feature, an adjustable seat height. In its high position, you're at eye level with most people, perfect for chatting with friends or family as you explore. The low position brings you closer to the ground, making it easier for children or those with limited mobility to hop on and experience the ride. The Honda ERM is a compelling look into the future of personal transportation. Imagine a scooter that folds down to the size of a small suitcase. That's the magic of the moving life Atto Sport. Gone are the days of struggling with bulky mobility aids. This scooter effortlessly transforms for easy storage in your car trunk, or even overhead compartments on airplanes. Need even more portability? The Atto Sport boasts a unique split design. With a quick release, it separates into 2 manageable pieces, making lifting and carrying a breeze. Stay informed and in control with the Atto Sport's illuminated LCD dashboard. With a top speed of 10 km per hour, you can zip around comfortably, without exceeding regulations. It boasts shock-absorbing flat-free tires ensure a smooth ride over uneven terrain, while the advanced braking system guarantees a safe and controlled stop. Its flight-approved battery means you can take it on board most airplanes, opening doors to global adventures. Plus, with a range of over 20 kilometers on a single charge, you can explore new destinations with confidence. Stuck in traffic? No problem. Introducing the Trigo, the revolutionary vehicle that seamlessly transforms from a nimble motorcycle to a spacious car, all at the push of a button. Imagine weaving through rush-hour traffic with the agility of a motorcycle. That's the magic of Trigo in its narrow mode. Its adjustable width allows you to squeeze through tight spaces and navigate congested streets with ease. Forget the frustration of bumper-to-bumper traffic. The Trigo lets you reclaim your time and sanity. When the open road beckons or you simply crave the comfort of a full-size car, Trigo transforms in seconds. Simply widen the vehicle, and you've got a spacious cabin with all the amenities you expect from a car. Comfortable seating for 2 adults, weather protection, and a smooth, stable ride. While zipping through traffic, the Trigo can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour in motorcycle mode. But don't worry about sacrificing efficiency for performance. When widened, the vehicle offers a comfortable and stable ride, perfect for longer journeys. Forget clunky metal frames and bulky batteries. Poimo electric scooter, which translates to portable and inflatable mobility, is a revolutionary concept that takes electric scooters to a whole new level of convenience. You're running late for work, stuck in a crowded train station. With a traditional scooter, you'd be out of luck. But with Poimo, you simply pull it out of your backpack, inflate it with a small pump, and zip past the crowds with ease. The scooter's body is made from a lightweight inflatable thermoplastic polyurethane TPU material. Weighing a mere 5.5 kilograms when deflated, Poimo easily fits into most backpacks. No more struggling to carry a heavy scooter. Zip through traffic, conquer commutes, and explore your city in style with the BLIZZ Wheel e-scooter. This electric marvel isn't your average scooter. It's a powerhouse of performance packed into a ridiculously compact design. Forget lugging around heavy, clunky scooters. The BLIZZ Wheel boasts a revolutionary design that's 70% lighter than average e-scooters. This translates to effortless carrying. Simply toss it in your backpack or tuck it away in your desk drawer. Dual motors propel you forward with exhilarating acceleration, leaving sluggish scooters in the dust. Navigate crowded streets with ease and conquer commutes in record time. Its 15.6-inch frame makes it incredibly maneuverable, allowing you to weave through traffic and navigate tight spaces with confidence. Plus, the special PU suspension ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. Front and rear LED lights ensure maximum visibility, while fully functional turn signals keep you safe and courteous on the road. The BLIZZ Wheel e-scooter is more than just a ride, it's a symbol of the future. And there you have it. These incredible vehicles are just a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. From augmented reality to foldable scooters, the future of mobility is looking brighter than ever. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.